yo, hold on. Hey,
Cam is
somebody
talking.
told me 21 Savage was upset at me about doing this interview. 21, what's up, man? You got something you want to say to me? We always been all right. We got an open line of communication. You there?
Yeah, what's up?
What up? What up? They told me you was upset at me, man. You can talk to me.
I said you lying for agreeing with anything I say.
Okay, now listen. When you say lame, right? Because y'all lingo look different. What you mean by I'm lame? Like, what you mean?
Like, I don't agree with it. I don't agree with
You
what
don't
you...
agree with, what is it that you don't agree with? What
Like,
is
I
it?
just feel like a gangster and a rat can't agree on nothing in life. I don't give a
Okay.
damn how right. Like,
So you shouldn't communicate. A gangster and a rat should never communicate, right?
not really because of the industry that we in. I say, like, I wouldn't really say that, but I say
Okay, well, come
I
on,
ain't finna
nephew.
agree with what no say about no other. Like how you said that you agree with him that I was supposed to run up on him in the club. First of all, my kids, I did not see that.
Wait. Slow down. Let me correct you, because me and academics was on your side with this. I said that nigga, just because you was in the same club as the
No,
man.
I heard that.
So I'm saying
I'm about when he asked you, he said, if a nigga call you a rat, do you when the nigga called you a rat see you, ain't he supposed to push up on you?
Yeah, you supposed to get out. Where I come from, you
I
get
don't
out.
agree with that.
But see, that let me know you pump faking it, nephew.
Nah, that don't mean pump faking.
You pump faking.
What? How do that equate to pump faking?
Because
Explain
listen. Watch this. The Meek Mill just said somebody like, right? I didn't told him you's a bitch hoe ass. When I see you at home, my wife in this room, and she'll tell you, I don't give a. We at the Grammys, Emmys. Soon as she see that, she's gonna head to the car. You know why?
She
better. I'm getting off, right? So when I'm telling you, if you got the energy to say that is a bitch, that this, that, and you see him, you see him, which I don't think you saw him in the club.
Yeah, but I never said, and I don't even talk like that.
Well, what you saw? No, 6IX9 had a video or something.
I don't even know what the hell that talking about. I talked
6IX9, what did you have that video?
Yo, Wack, you hear me?
Yeah, that video you had. He got a video you doing some shit.
Listen.
Hey, look. Before you start talking,
21. Look. 21 knows.
Let me say one thing before you start talking. I'm not finna do no fake gangster on Clubhouse. So don't start yelling and doing all that.
I'm not yelling. Look, let me talk. You just spoke. He just asked me a question. He didn't ask you a question. He asked me a question.
What's that video that you were showing us that you said he...
Yo, on the video, I'll post it up on my Instagram right now. I'll post it up on my Instagram right now just for 10 minutes. Because I don't want to do... yo, 21, if you want it, I'll DM it to you. Where I'm in the club, your manager, right or wrong, and put this on your kids. Your manager didn't go up to you and said, yo, 6IX9INE in the club with us right now. Put that on your kids. Your manager didn't tell you that.
I told you that last night. Why the f***
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Why you act like you dropping a bombshell?
Wait,
I'm the one told you my manager told me that. That don't mean
wait. For the record, 6IX9INE and 21 Savage, this lame ass whack talking, been on the phone talking for access of 30 to 40 minutes yesterday, right?
Yeah.
You said what?
Okay, all right. I'm just putting it out there.
You said
Wack. You said Wack was lame for interviewing me, but you was on the phone with me yesterday for 30 minutes.
I said he lame for agreeing with anything you say. Everybody in this room just heard what I said.
So what was you on the phone with him for 30 minutes about?
Asking him why he talking the way he talking.
But nigga, if it's on, right?
Man, I'm not finna do all this fake gangster shit on Clubhouse.
What do you mean fake gangster?
I just told you how I felt. I ain't got nothing else to say.
Man, Wack promoting the fight, man. Wack promoting the fight, man.
21 Savage want to fight too, because he asked 6IX9INE for the fight, right?
Yeah, he asked me, he said set it up. Right? And I told him academic set it up.
Get crickets, boy, don't come up in there with me and your shit ain't right, because I'm gonna put it on. I don't mind, I'm putting mine on the table. I ain't hiding nothing. But come in there and say, 21, you talked to 6IX9INE willingly for 30, 40 minutes. You asked him to give you the fight. Come on, man. You wasn't on there talking about rat ass. Don't do that.
Oh, that ain't what I said on the phone last night, 6IX9INE? Put that on your kids. I ain't call you a rat on the phone.
You did, but after I already violated you.
And I ain't finna look. This what I'm not finna do. Look, this what I'm not finna do.
Yo, 21.
Y'all
I
with that
violated
internet.
you.
I ain't with all that internet. All that pump fake.
Yo, 21.
I'm
You
not
did
sitting
that
down with
after
no
I
rat.
violated you.
I ain't sitting down with no rat. Period.
Yo, 21.
I
But when you was on the phone with him for 30 minutes,
I called you and asked you why you want to interview talking about sucking dick. That's what I said. And I said I want to fight.
Yo, 21.
I didn't sit down and have no kumbaya with you.
I'm not about to.
I'm not whack.
21.
I don't know who the y'all.
Wait. Look, wait. 21. Respectfully, nephew, I know you. We always been solid, and I'm gonna keep it real.
You just said a whole bunch of extra. So that ain't
we are
solid.
not the same. Look, 21.
I don't know. I guess
21. Listen to me, nephew.
Friends now.
Listen to me.
Trying to put on
Listen
the show.
to me, bro.
But I ain't
met you before. You've been real humble. Me and you both know. If you were standing in front of me right now, you wouldn't have that energy.
Yeah,
Cap. It's on my kids.
All right.
Check this out, bro.
I will beat your mother little ass, you little bitty ass boy.
Hey,
I will beat your little ass, little bitty ass boy.
Yo, 21.
Now we wait. Hold on, 6IX9INE. 21. I came here respecting you, bro. And then wait. And it's cool that you don't agree with what I'm saying, but I'm not no rapper.
Yeah,
you up.
Yeah,
one mic. I will beat your mother ass. Now we can get down, blood. I'll come to Atlanta, you can come to LA. We can get down wherever you want to get out. I will beat your ass. You gonna
Yo, 21, yeah. Yo, 21, you want me to set it up?
And you
Yo, 21, you want me to set it up?
Yo, I will beat you. Hold on. Hey, look, you ain't finna.
Hey,
you call me out my name.
Say less.
What we doing?
Say less.
What we doing, man? You coming out here, I'm gonna coming out there. Cause we can get out. What we doing? I will sock you the fuck out.
Yeah,
you out your league. You are out your league. You ain't finna come in here as you just a rapper. That's all you is. You ain't got the right rank of respect to with me. You's a fake ass blood too. I'm from California.
Ain't no blood.
I don't know what you is, but when you coming out here, listen, man, we talking about me and you. Look, we ain't talking about no blood shit. We talking about, listen, we talking about two men.
On Clubhouse.
Yo, it's not no gangster shit. Yo, look. It ain't no gangster.
Hold on, you talking about two men.
21.
When you want to get down.
Y'all can get in the room by yourself.
Hold on,
No
when you want to get out, because you sound like, because you called me out my name, I let it go. But when you want to get out,
look, watch me stay quiet. Watch me stay quiet.
Okay, when you coming to LA?
I'm in Atlanta.
When you coming to LA?
I'm in Atlanta, bro.
When you coming to LA? We can do that too. Hey, look, 21, know this. I know this. I was roaming the A.
You don't got to do all that. I'm scared already, bro. I'm scared. You don't got to do all that.
Nah, you right.
I'll tell you what.
I'm already scared, bro. I'm scared.
You know what? I'm not going to even ball my fists up. I'm going to slap you up.
Hey,
Wack. You's a rapper.
Wack, calm down, bro.
You ain't even in my
calm down, bro.
Hold on. Yo.
One mic.
Hey, all y'all calm down.
Calling me out my name,
bro. Wack, just chill out, bro.
I'm gonna put you on power room.
Wait, let's go to Atlanta.
You ain't gonna have no
Wack, chill out, bro.
No, Wack, let's go to Atlanta.
Wait,
he don't want no cameras.
Y'all chill out, bro.
Yo, let's go to Atlanta.
One mic.
No, 6IX9INE, that ain't got nothing to do with you. That ain't got nothing to do with you, 6IX9INE. The come in the room, I respected the you said some slick. You don't agree with my thing, cool, but you were just on the phone with the man 45 minutes. Don't know be on the phone with no they hate like that for 45 minutes.
Hey, just chill out, man. Wait, just chill out, bro.
My wife would tell you I done seen that. That nigga umped me too, but next time I see him, I'ma sock him out.
He gone.
All you little rappers know this, I am not a rapper. Don't come playing with me. You too light in the ass. If you ain't skilled enough, been around long enough, you might want to be a little hesitant about that mouth. Because I'm going to violate you. Straight up.
All right.
I'm
so,
sorry.
21, you quiet, boy.
Yo,
listen.
I'm
Yo, listen.
real quick.
Hey, stop instigating, bro.
Real quick.
Suck dick. You just copped it.
No,
Yesterday
bruh,
you didn't have
shut
that
up.
energy. Yo, I swear to my mother, 21 yesterday was like, yo.
All right, you gonna stop.
Just
Because
a
I said
second.
I'm going to reset the room. So I
Nah,
need you to
wait.
be quiet while I'm resetting
Alright,
the room. That's what
alright,
I need to happen. Cool?
alright.
Wack invited 6ix9ine on Clubhouse. And here the we are. So, with that being said, we're not going to do no threats. We're not going to be doing all that. We're going to have conversations like we've been doing. And we're going to keep it civil like we've been doing. Because y'all are raising my blood pressure.
Alright, yo,
Okay?
can I get this
So
off?
Hey,
Can I get
Wack,
this
let
off?
21 up.
Let
So you can
21
let
up,
that
but can I
nigga
get
up
this
already
off?
and let him know what it is with me. He
Nah,
know.
yo, Wack,
Bitty ass. That
yo,
nigga weigh
Wack, yo, Wack,
130. Put my blood
yo,
up.
Wack. Let me get this off.
Powerful.
Let me get this off. Look, not to really say nothing.
I
I
have
didn't
a
even.
question.
Yo, wait,
Oh,
hold on.
nigga, he
I
don't
didn't
even
even.
want that kind of smoke with me.
Yo,
He was on
hold
the
on.
phone hold on, 6ix9ine. That nigga was on your phone for 45 minutes.
For 40
On the phone
minutes
with that
talking
dick.
to me, and I kept yo, Act. You on the phone? Yo, Act. You could talk or nah?
Yeah, he can talk. He just over there
Act. Unmute
academics.
yourself, Act.
At the bottom of
Man,
the
what type of
room.
love and hip hop drama y'all got going on
Nah,
Yo,
in here,
Act.
man?
academics.
Act.
Listen, what?
Yo, Act. Answer the question if I'm lying. When the first started and 21 said, "Yo, I want to fight you. Set it up," and I said, for how much? Right? Right or wrong?
Yeah.
And he said for whatever amount of money. And then I started getting at
But
him. I
I'm
said, yo,
lame.
hold on. And I said, yo, what happened? You going broke? I'm a taxpaying citizen. You just call out of nowhere. You see me in the club. We was in the club together. Whether Wack,
Six Nine, you in LA right now with Wack or no?
nah, I'm in Mexico.
What the
When
f you mean? What do you be with me for?
when
We
when
be in
when
Clubhouse.
when you coming out here? Cause y'all is crazy, bro. Y'all talking real crazy on this app, bro.
Yo, what you
Who is
mean?
that?
It's dirty, bro. Y'all can check through my see who I am and who my
I
But
look,
nigga, what you saying?
yo, be quiet real quick, dirty.
tap
Yo,
in with me, Wack, bro. Just tap in
Don't
with me, bro.
tap in with no mama.
Say
You
less,
got me
say less,
f***ed up. Don't tap in with no.
Yo,
less,
Wack
bro.
be going
Say
crazy.
less, bro.
yo,
Don't tap in with no.
I'm in
Imagine
LA
tapping in
right
with
now, bro. Say
6,000
less, it's
followers.
good.
Out of here. I don't tap in with no
yo,
nigga.
dirty, look, yo, dirty, get up, just delete Clubhouse for a quick second. Look.
Hey,
Yesterday,
I don't talk
yesterday, 21 Savage got on the phone talking about, yo, he want to fight for
to
money.
your
I
bitch.
said, yo, you going broke?
If you
Yo,
want to
Act, am I
fight,
lying?
if you want to fight with me, 6ix9ine, we can
Yo,
fight. But
Dirty,
I don't
just
want to
shut
talk to
Who
up.
your
is this,
bitch.
man?
Moderators, y'all want to handle.
Yo, Act, you muted yourself, Act.
What happened? What happened?
And then, am I lying? The 21, when I started talking all that money, he said, yo, bro, I don't even want the money no more. Let's fight for free. Am I lying? Yes or not?
Yeah, because you was trying to call him broke, so he trying to say he don't care if he box you for money. He say he want to catch a fade with you. That's what he said.
All right. But just now, when Wack told him where you at, where you want to fight, did he have that energy?
Man, I know better. All these little I'm
Act, answer
breaking
the
shit,
question.
nigga.
I hate when you
I'm a
two
grown
sides with
ass
rappers.
man.
Hey,
And he
hey,
just had
hey,
that
I
energy,
said
Wack.
I'm in Atlanta. I'm in Atlanta. That's what I told
All
Wack.
right, so
I'm
do
in
you want to
Atlanta.
set it up?
I'm in Atlanta. I'm in Atlanta. I'm not talking to I'm not going back and forth with you.
All
You
right,
a
So
cool,
rat.
what you
cool.
want to
You,
do?
You
You
all
a
right,
want to
rat.
get
all right,
down,
all
right?
right.
You a rat. I'm not going back
All
and
right,
forth
so,
with you. You a rat.
You
ask
was
him the
on the
question.
phone with him for 45 minutes.
Nah, Wack,
Stop
re-ask
fronting.
him the
I
question,
was
Wack.
on the phone with him.
Come on, bro. You sound
Wack,
you a
re-ask him
hypocrite
the
right now.
question, Wack.
On the phone with him for 45 minutes.
Hey,
Anybody
yo,
in
is
this room
somebody
will say, if
kicking
you got the
21 or
energy
is
you
he
got
sending
right now,
himself to the
you
goo?
Somebody
shouldn't have been
kicked
on the
him.
phone with him for
Who's
45
sending
minutes.
them?
Yo, the said he not going back and forth for the rat,
Hey,
but
hey,
want to
Wack,
fight a
bring,
rat. I
Hey,
don't
bring
yo,
get
some
it.
of
hold
the
on,
out
hold
of
on,
here.
hold
Act.
on,
Why
real
they don't
quick.
want to let them?
Hold on. Hey, yo, hold on. Is 21 kicking itself or is somebody kicking the moderators?
Not I.
He getting kicked, bro.
I kicked them.
Nah, don't kick him. We
Why
not
y'all
kicking. Let's
kicking
not
them?
kick him. We not kicking him. Don't.
On the phone with him for 45 minutes. It don't take that long. You on the phone with him, hate his guts,
Who
he a
said
rat.
I kicked him?
45 minutes?
Hey,
You can't
Wack,
let
bring
six
up
nine
Lil
talk all
Bunny.
this and then when 21
Man,
come
nah, I'm
talk
just
this shit,
saying,
y'all
my hey,
get quiet.
all y'all heard it.
Hey,
The
Crystal,
nigga
bring
came in
I
here and
talk to
called me
yo
lame.
21 though.
Listen, he
I
called
said
me
6ix9ine
lame. I
just
let
said
him
suck
get away
dick.
with it. That is a rapper, and I will beat the
Bring up
dog
Black man.
out of that little bitty ass kid.
Hey, wait, just chill out,
Give a
bro.
about
Hey,
your
Wack.
rap
Hey,
name.
hey,
Let
Wack.
him knock
Hey,
this shit
Wack.
out,
Hey,
nigga.
check this out, Wack. Check this out, Wack. I don't know
Big
where you
bro.
get your information from. I don't know who you
You
think
a
I
little
am.
kid.
Look, I'm a grown ass man,
You
bro.
a little kid
I'm
to
a
me.
grown
I
ass
shot
man.
my nuts that's older than you.
I don't give a about all that.
Hey, y'all.
Let's keep
I don't
it.
know
Check
where
Hey,
this
you
out.
get
Brandon,
your
Hold on.
Brandon,
information
little
I'm
Check
gonna bring
from.
bro.
up
this
two
out.
car.
Check this out.
I'm in
Hey, two
Atlanta,
car,
bro.
raise your hand.
Hey, I'm in Atlanta. I
Milestone
ain't with
car,
all
raise
that.
your hand.
I'm in Atlanta, and I'm gonna hit you when I get to LA. That's on my mama.
Hey, y'all. Check this
I'm gonna
out.
put your ass to
Hey,
bed
y'all.
on my
Check
Yo,
this
mama.
out.
he's never coming to LA.
I'm
Go
gonna
ahead,
put
Chris.
that right
If
to
the
sleep,
room
man.
Dick.
Hey y'all,
Hey,
hey
Crystal,
y'all,
give
I'm
me
gonna
a
be
bean.
straight up. I'm gonna be straight up with y'all. If the room keeps going in this direction, if there's all the threatening and all the back and forth, based off of our policies, this gonna have to end. So we gotta figure out what we want to do here. And I'm being honest with everybody. So I'm not trying to get in between no grown man. I'm not trying to do that dumb shit. But what I'm saying is that we can't have that with our policy. So figure out what the fuck y'all want to do.
Why don't y'all?
Our
Miss
policy. What you
Crystal.
mean?
Yo, Miss
But
Crystal,
why
this
y'all
your
not having
cool
the
at the
same energy
bottom.
for 6ix9ine? Y'all keep
Yeah,
it
I have the same
21.
energy for every other one on Clubhouse.
Yo, this your cool at the bottom. Can I ask my question?
Go ahead, we listening.
Go ahead.
I bet. Cool. Takashi 6ix9ine. Yo, I just want to know. I got two questions, honestly. One, you gonna get the vaccine or have you got the vaccine? And then
Oh
my
my
second
God,
question
bro.
is, hold on,
Super
y'all,
gay
hold
ass
on.
on, bro.
Hold on. And then my second question is, with the state, you know what I mean, with how everybody, you know what I mean, saying you ain't street and nothing like that, what direction you gonna take your music from here forward? This Joe Cool, I'm done.
All right, I got vaccine probably like 3-4 times already. And the
Not
answer to
three,
your
4 times.
question, I'm a keep rapping about what I rap about because I can't take that from me. Until a shut me up or put me down, that's what's gonna have to take for me to shut the fuck up.
Yo,
I
I got
respect
a,
it. I respect it.
I got a
Hey,
question.
Wack.
This
Hey,
is
I got,
Hey,
Rosa,
hey,
and
hey, I
I
got,
have a
hey, I
question.
got a question. This Savage is, Wack, is you and 6ix9ine friends?
Boy,
What you mean? I ain't got no problem with 6ix9ine. I
I'm
said that in
saying,
front
are
of the
y'all
world.
friends? Are
What do
y'all
you mean,
friends?
friends, man? He
Are
my
y'all
enemy, nigga.
friends?
That what you
boyfriend.
asking?
Y'all, I'm saying, are y'all friends?
What you
Are you,
friends, man? What do you mean
are
by
you a kid?
friends? He
Like,
ain't my
are you?
mother enemy, man.
I'm
I don't
saying, is
got
y'all
no
friends
issues with
though?
him. Zero.
Y'all friends? I just want to know if y'all friends,
Well,
bro.
what you mean friends? What you,
Like, are y'all friends? Would you go to his house for dinner? Can he come to your house for dinner?
that
Are
ain't
y'all
what
friends?
we do, man. He sat in the mother room in Brickell, Florida, man.
Can I ask a
See,
question?
if you know
Topic
niggas in
of a
there.
snitch is pedophile,
Yo,
man.
can I ask a question?
You right?
New
These
question.
niggas is
I just
crazy.
want to know how big gangster Pyru and he friends with a snitch.
I'm gonna show you when I sock your ass out.
Hey,
Hey,
We ain't
Rosa,
gotta talk about it.
I have a
Nigga, where it's
question.
at?
bro, I done heard you say you gonna suck so many out. I ain't
And
know.
hey,
I
listen,
ain't,
man.
Another
you done
nigga
said
out. I
you
Hey,
gonna
seen it.
punch,
hey,
bro.
they
You
been
said you gonna
socked
punch
out.
every rapper. You said you gonna punch every rapper, bro. Every
Hey,
rapper.
every that did came in front of me, they went to
That's a
sleep,
fact.
man.
I ain't gonna lie.
Everyone. And watch this, little bitty ass. I was socking out before you can walk. You a little
he
boy.
from the
You
Hey,
UK.
out your league.
Yo, 21. Ain't you
just
from
chill
the
out,
UK?
bro.
You
That
out your
nigga
league.
socked his
Having
up.
a new question.
Hey,
Out of here, little
Takashi.
ass
I got a
ride
question.
tricycle when we was
hey,
out here
I
pushing
Takashi.
don't
Whose
white
think
name
you
is
rock.
done
that?
did
All right,
enough
so
research,
hey,
bro.
T
Go do
Will,
some more
Yo, let
research,
me
bro.
real
ask a
quick though,
question.
Okay, T
real
Will.
quick,
Just a second.
real hey, quick. T Will's got a question.
I want to know: do you hang with any of your homies from your hood to this day? Not the ones that you told on or any of that, but
Yeah.
any of the other niggas from your hood. Do they with you?
Yo, Wack, you can answer that if they think I'm.
Yeah, I see.
I'm
Yeah, it's
asking
like
you.
I seen two of them
Okay,
personally. I put
got
them on camera.
Hey, Wack, didn't you say he was a civilian earlier? How he got homies from the hood?
What do you mean? My
Nigga,
said
I got
Civilians
that
don't
family
live in
don't
the
from the
I
hood.
didn't
hood.
ask that
Yo,
question.
Wack.
Somebody else asked that
What
Wait,
question.
does that mean? Because you
civilians
hang
don't
with.
live
So
in the
let me get
hood.
this right. So my square friends that may come to the studio with me or go over here with me, come to my backyard gatherings. What that mean?
I was just asking because old boy asked the question. I was just asking.
Yeah,
You
just
asked it in the form to be funny.
Nah, I was
You act like
asking it because
civilians.
I ain't asked you nothing all night. I was asking a
I
question,
so
nigga. To
no,
Wack.
but let me ask you something.
Wack answering for
Yo,
you,
wait,
nigga.
is
I
your
mean,
mom? Yo, you ever lived in the hood?
I live in the hood.
All right, is your mom a civilian or she street?
My mom is a worker. She's a civilian. She's
All
not
right, so
street. She's not a
civilians live in
crip.
the
She's
hood,
not a
right?
blood.
Right. Wow.
All right, so
Fuck.
Bro, that
civilians
nigga
live
ain't
in
no
the hood,
fucking
right?
civilian. He a rat, man.
Yo,
That nigga ain't no
you're on my
civilian,
dick.
man.
You from the
You a
United
rat.
Kingdom.
You a
You
rat.
not even from the
You are
United
a rat.
You
He
a
didn't have
bitch. And you
You a
see me in
rat.
the club.
I do.
I
Yo,
just
21.
ran
Who's
my
it
Yo,
does?
question
You a rat.
back.
21.
That
Whose
nigga
Yo,
room
who
is
catch
that?
me. Yo,
justify
21. Yo,
every
21.
Wack,
You
I
see
asked.
me
I
in
you
the
asked
is a
him.
club.
rat too, man.
You
Any
see
nigga who
me.
justify
Yo,
that shit
21.
just like you.
Yo,
Any
Yo,
nigga
yo,
21.
who
You see me
justify
in
Takashi.
the
that shit
club.
just like
Yo,
you.
21.
You were just
Yo,
in the
You
club.
catch
You's a
me
mark.
in
You
the
a rat.
club,
You just
21.
yo,
Fucking
you
rat.
yo,
just said that your
Bring
manager
Spiffy
told.
up.
Hey, watch this. Hold on. Hey,
Bill,
Rocky, you
did
in
you
this
get the
room?
next person?
Wait, Rocky, you in the room?
Me. He's not,
21
but
is a that see me in the
Rocky at.
club and
yo.
they do nothing.
Rocky on the phone.
Okay, where T Will? T Will in
Hey,
here?
I'm
y'all
right
be
here.
safe,
I'm
y'all.
right here.
T-Will
Wait,
Hey,
ain't
hold
here.
on, now, hold
hey,
on,
look.
T Will.
Y'all be
Hold on,
safe.
hold on.
Y'all
T
wait.
Will
Make
from
sure
Rolling
y'all put
60s.
y'all
Hold on.
masks on,
T
man.
Will.
Y'all be
If
safe.
we in
Put
a
y'all
club
masks on, man.
and one of our tell us the whoopty whoop over there and we looking for him, what we
What
finna go
happened?
do?
What
Shit,
What
happened?
we
we
go?
we
How
If
the
we
we
on
in the
fuck?
fire.
club,
Look, bro. Why